Good morning, YouTube. Hope you guys doing good. Well, I didn't even get that browser source up. Shot for that one, Charles. Seems like I keep starting these streams on mute, eh? Appreciate that. Mark, Charles, Chad, what's up, guys? Delano Hoffman, good morning, guys. Hope you're doing good, guys. Okay, but obviously the MFX members, you guys heard me because yeah, you weren't on mute. Perfect, guys. Let's get the show on the road. I'm going to be doing a $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway today, so stay tuned for that. It'll be randomly in the session. All you gotta do is just go to yesterday's live stream and just comment anything. You can put even a 1. Just go comment anything, so when I do the prize picker, that your name will be there. Good. Right, let's get into gold. Let's see what's happening. I see we are ranging quite a bit over here, eh? But just have a look quickly. Any questions as I go, you guys can just let me know. I personally feel like price is stalling for the big day on Friday, which will be NFP. If you want to trade NFP with me, you just have to be an MFX member. I will do that exclusively for the MFX members, and we'll call the trades as we do with every NFP. So I think it's gonna be a good one. We have a bank holiday on Thursday as well, which is more than likely to give us a lot more volume on that Friday. And with a lot more volume on Friday, it would be nice to see a larger move for that NFP. So that could be a possibility. Well, it probably is the reason why we are ranging so much. I mean, we are still sitting that same price area as yesterday as well. Today on the forefront of you got Charles job openings. We traded that last month as well. Also played out very well. So that could give us a solid drive today. Pretty much from today onwards, you should start to see some volume, eh? I think today's gonna be a big volume week as well, which I'm quite excited for. But nonetheless, boys, let's get straight to the charts. Popping onto that weekly price is still trading above the level of 23.25 as that QP area. Looking at that daily, we have closures above the quarter, but price is testing that level right now. However, as I've mentioned before, you are in that daily liquidity area right now, boys. So the thing is, we could pop off of that level and start driving to the upside, or start to close below and start to flutter to the downside. So for me, I'm not really going to get my judgment off of the daily unless I can use my lower time frame and then use like an example of the day. Let's say it's breaking that previous daily low or flipping the current daily high to continue filling yesterday's wick. I can use something like that if that lower time frame starts to line up, but until then I'm not really going to get my judgment from that. So wait, let me just go back to the daily and mark in current daily high, because for me, if we get a lower time frame setup that shows us that we could see possible bullish momentum today, I'll definitely be using the flip of the current daily high and the wick fill of yesterday as a confluence. Pop to that 4 hour, and we can clearly see you are in a 4 hour range at the moment. This is just something that's so obvious to see, right? You've got your area there. I will probably adjust that area due to the fact that it is relatively large while the area is the wick. But as I get to my lower time frame, we can obviously check it out and see what's happening over there. But at the moment, this is going to be my liquidity zones, my supply and demand areas on my 4 hour, which will be right here. Let's get that grid out. So this will be that zones as of now. I won't add any more zones in, to be honest with you. I won't add any more zones in. I'm actually quite fine with that. If I'm going to short off, it's going to be to this area, so I'll add in that. So I'll have pretty much these zones, and then you got your QP level down there. So I only need 3 zones at the moment on the 4 hour. And then this is what I'm talking about on that 30 minute. I'm actually going to pull this right to the top like that. And use this as an LTA if I am looking for longs. If I'm not mistaken, this is actually the same area as yesterday, boys. And then on the short side of things, I don't see myself short this pair until I break my demand zone of 23.19. I just don't see the shorts for me at the moment. Good morning, Vince. Good morning, Bevan. Hope you guys are doing lacquer. Good to see you in the call today, Bevan. Okay, so for me, I'm just gonna slot in my 30-minute level right there. And today is relatively straightforward, boys, because I can tell you now, I'm just not going to trade this range. Very, very choppy area. Okay, that's a bit too. Very, very choppy area over there. I don't see myself taking any executions right now. Near to the QP as well, I don't see any executions. I mean, we could slot in a zone right here. We could tweak that area. Obviously, I'll change the color. But I just don't want to sell into that. What does it buy? I think it was 2v2 because it shouldn't have changed. Because you're still in that same range. So you are overall bearish, I understand that. But yesterday, I took longs as well. What time was it? I was 12. I saw a beautiful setup and I had to take it. It's pretty much that setup that I called. So after we took the shorts yesterday and we secured 11 on that, towards the end of the stream, I mentioned the possible macro zones that I wanted to trade in, which was this longs over here, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sure it is. Once I got price closure above that level, that's when I took the longs, and I got 15 on that. So that was quite nice as well. So pretty much that areas that I called yesterday, I acted on off stream. Yeah, it was this around 12:30. I saw a beautiful buy setup. I couldn't say no. Every single confluence lined up was perfect, and the trade literally played out in 4 minutes. So I activated some long positions on that, took that, and that is how I got in on long positions, even though we are 30-minute bearish. And to be honest with you, in this price consolidation period that we're in right now, I'm actually not too phased with the buys. I know it sounds wrong for me to say that, but I'm not too phased with it just because we're ranging right now. We're trading in between two major price points, which is that 4-hourly levels. So for me, I'm not too phased with those. What can I say? I'm not too phased with. Hold on, let me just. Yeah, I'm not too phased with that buys right now, guys. So for me, I'm only looking for longs within that LTA and then shorts beneath this zone. I'm going to mark that as just a no trade zone for me. I'm just not interested in trading in this whole area, to be honest with you. So look, the direction is clear, boys. It's as simple as waiting for price to start trading above that level. I'll get involved. Or price to start trading in between those LTAs over there, I will get involved. Yes, Vince Cornelius, shorts type 3 for sure. No. Shorts will actually be a type 4. Longs will be a type 3 because you've got that 30-minute and 4-hour bullish, right? So type 3 shorts will be over there and type 4 longs will be above there. At the moment, I don't see a setup within the range that I would take according to my strategy. As time progresses, we might see something similar to yesterday, because just like yesterday's short opportunities down there, it was also no trade range. But as we started to set up, that's when I saw the setup and I actually got involved in that. So that is quite nice to see. So at the moment, nothing for me over there. Over here, we've got a beautiful LTA. I'll look for longs. And over here, we've got a decent LTA. What's nice about this area as well here, we've got that range, right? So as you get below, we'll actually be trading range resistance to range support. I like that. I really like that. And then on this side, you got your LTA, which is really cool. So patience for me right now is going to be this having to be my no trade range. Over here is going to be my aggressive long opportunities. And then over here is going to be aggressive shorts, just because you're coming out to that immediate consolidation. So either or is going to be aggressive trades because you're coming out to that immediate consolidation. And then just down here, you got the continuation of the 4-hour and the 30-minute, which will then produce some safe shorts, right? So that's my zones on gold today, guys. Straightforward. We know what you want to do. Put a W in the chat if you understand the analysis. And then we'll take it from there. My brother, what's up? Morning, man. Mr. Radio Presenter. From here. Yeah, type 2, yeah, type 2. Very. I got you. Did you take positions? Black, let's just. Danny, good morning. I'm good, my brother. How are you doing? Guys in the MFX, MFX Zoom, are you guys good? Any questions? Let me know. So that's me on gold, boys. I'm not going to look at GJ today. As you can see, GJ is just doing nothing. These moves are not worth me taking it. We are setting up, I see, like, if I can slot in areas now. Let me just give a quick little breakdown. I'm not going to go too much in depth because I'm more than likely not going to trade GJ. Okay, we are overall bullish on GJ, as we've mentioned numerous of times. We do have that liquidity level at the bottom over there. This will obviously be marked out into the LTA like this. Let me just change that. So I'm just going to whiz through this, guys, because there's a very low probability that I'll take GJ. There's a basic setup I see right now. I probably won't take it though, just because the volume is so low, boys. It's really low on GJ. But on GJ is one of those pairs where you close your eyes and buy. It's just the fact of the matter is it is slow markets at the moment, and we can see that. So if you're willing to hold a longer term position, by all means, 100%. But for me as a day trader, these slow markets where you're sitting hours for like 20 pips, it's not me. However, this is your safe buy area right here. As you can see, a beautiful altitude. So the setup is there. It looks good. But is the volume enough? That's the question. You've got your safe buys over there. You've got your no trade range right here. So all you want to see is a simple closure above the level for a type 4. Like that. Once you get your closure above the level on your 15/30, at this point you have your nearby support, so you don't even need to wait for your 5. Just a 15 or 30 closure above the level. A tap back in, you can either take it the flip of the candle or the break of the previous high for long opportunities, in anticipation that price will drive directly to that resistance, for price to also have the possibility of continuing further on, right, to the QP of 205. More than likely we're going to tap 205. However, with price also being at this price point, on that 4-hour, price also hasn't retested your liquidity level of 23. It's something we spoke about yesterday, 203,500. You haven't necessarily tapped that level, so that is something that you should be looking at when taking these longs. You also then use the 4-hour as a wick fill. Okay, so that's a quick little breakdown on GJ. I'm not going to get too much in depth because it is straightforward. It's just like I said, the volume is low on GJ, so the chance of me taking position here is very, very slim. So I'll add an alert there. If I get that, I'll probably take the trade, but let's see if that happens. The chances are we might just sit in the range as well for London. So obviously the primary target as per normal is going to be gold. Gold just needs to actually get to a price point that I can actually trade. You are consolidating quite a bit, so it is just being that patient dude today and waiting for a setup. Just like yesterday, we waited and we got our trades for some gold shorts yesterday. Played out very nice for an 11 pip long. 11 pip target, what am I saying? Okay guys, in the meantime, do yourself a favor. Today I'm going to be giving away a $5,000 Vault Funder challenge. So all you got to do is go to yesterday's stream. Maybe I can get it out for you so I can show you. So go to the YouTube page that you're on now anyway, right? And then go to yesterday's stream, 22 hours ago, the 1st of the 7th. So the 1st of the month yesterday, go to that stream. Click on that stream and just go drop any comment. You can even put a 1. Reason being, I'm going to use this to, oh, well, there, perfect. I'm going to use this to, what do you call it? I cannot, my head just went blank. I'm going to use this to get the comments so I can get the names out of that. So I'll do the random comment picker, which is going to be like this. I used it. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. Random comment picker. The same thing I used the last time. So I'll then slot in the link of that stream over here, and then it'll generate the name for me. So that's why all you got to do, just go comment on yesterday's video, like today's stream, and if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, I would also recommend you go follow the MFX business page just to keep up to date with everything that we do off stream as well. Okay, and if there's like a reason that we're not streaming or a different time or whatever, so just go comment on there. So far we got 4 comments, so 4 people has been entered into today's giveaway so far. 5 now. It's a free $5,000 challenge. Go comment. Any other questions you guys can just let me know. Vince and Bevan, I'll get straight back to your WhatsApps as soon as we are done stream as well. Okay, so now we got London open in the next 10 minutes. Let's see if we can start getting volume. That would be nice. Charles, you guys take any NAS trades this morning? Why can't I get this chat up? No stress wins. Where's those NAS boys? You guys take any positions today? How much pips did you actually get yesterday on those NAS trades? What is you and Darren? Nothing yet inside. No, I saw it was also consolidating a bit, eh? Superfly from Amsterdam. What's happening? One of my students is actually in your hometown. That I cannot disclose right now. Just give us a total amount of pips. It's okay. You're still within your trades a day threshold, so that's fine. You didn't break any rules. 5%. Damn boy, you killed yesterday. You are an absolute animal, sir. You are doing good. Well done, Charles. Yeah, Superfly. We have one of our students in your hometown at the moment. He's living his best life. Well done, guys. Well done. I love to see that you're applying the MFX strategy on all financial markets. I love that. I love to see that. I'm good, man. I'm really good. Really good. Shot for asking. 110 pips on full positions. Jeez, dude. You are killing it, my man. Well done, brother. That is insane. Is Pauline Ashton? Probably, yeah. Yeah, he probably is. He probably is. W. Charles, well done, boy. So just a reminder, go comment on yesterday's video so I can add you into today's giveaway. It's the only way I can add you in. That'll make it fair. Otherwise, we can do the number thing again in the chat, but that is hectic for me because the numbers just go like this. Boom. As soon as everybody starts to comment. So I think the best way and the most fair way is just using the comment picker. Just go comment on yesterday's live stream video in the comment section. And I'll use the names from that. Yeah, yesterday's live stream, yeah. So comment on yesterday's live stream. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, just subscribe to the channel and like today's stream. That's all you gotta do. And if you have IG, go follow the business page. I'll actually do a quick plug. I actually haven't been slacking on my plugs, eh? Where's this quickly? Number one, Bevan. Where's this? Okay, boys, quick little plug. At the moment, this is the mentorship program that we do offer. If you guys want to level up your trading and trade the way we do, as consistently as we do, that's your link right there. If you want to use the broker that I use, my recommended broker, that's your link right there for HFM. This is the prop firm that we're going to be doing a giveaway on today as well. This is the prop firm that I recommend, Vault Funder. We also have a 35% discount code at the moment if you want to have a larger challenge. 35% off, use code MFX at checkout. And if you want to obviously just follow the business page, there's your link right there. We stream Monday to Thursday live for free. London sessions, 8:30 London time, so GMT +2 in our country, South Africa. And then Monday to Friday with the private MFX group. We'll be doing NFP this Friday as well with the boys, so that's going to be a good one. That's going to be a good one, man. Where's Jordan today? So phone this guy away. Trading news, yeah. So I'll be trading. We always trade NFP with we trade NFP and CPI with the private MFX members. So then I'll do privately on Zoom with the team. So all the members get benefits to that as well. Do I understand how it works? Yeah. I wouldn't be trading anything if I didn't understand how it works, my brother. How much pips did we get on last NFP? I think I got near to 200 pips on the last NFP release. Definitely wouldn't be trading anything I don't understand. Nah. Silently. I don't know, Vince. I don't know. Okay, we got London open in 3 minutes. Let's see what's happening. Vince, when's your next show? France, yeah. Yo, guys, I must tell you, I went for an interview last night. That was the craziest thing in my life. I've never been for an interview. On what's that? GTA 5M, bro. I left that shit. It's the craziest thing I've seen in my life. That's an answer. When's your next show? Oh wait, what's it coming? It's coming Sunday. So is it like every Sunday? Lekker, man. Lekker. And I see you got like proper artists that come onto the stream as well. That's solid. Morning, Jordan. I see you wiping out the shit out your eyes. Are you ready? Your camera's on there, Jordan. Just check it. Just watch your cameras on there, boy. No stress, Vince. When you're having Darren on your radio show. Yeah, you're gonna have to watch for Darren. He's gonna get your show banned. Oh, did you do like voice notes as well? And then play it, what? I saw you do like shout outs. What shout outs? Song requests as well. Song requests, shout outs, stuff like that. Is there a certain genre of music you guys only plays, or like anything? All genres, lekker. Yeah, that's dope, man. Really, really cool, dude. Trying to see where's that current daily low, a QP. God, I'm not too phased about that. Look, we are overall bullish, man. So the only time for real that I'm going to sell, similar to that sell idea that I had yesterday, would be below here. You always trade news or only NFPs? I only trade CPI and NFP. So this week, Friday, NFP, 2:30, I'm trading that. And then next week, Wednesday, I think it is. I think it's next week, Wednesday. No. Is it? next week Thursday. Yeah, so the next week Thursday will be CPI. But fundamental trading I only do privately with the MFX dudes. The reason is you also don't want to, like what I do on stream, you don't want to portray. Say for example a new dude comes in, his name is Jacob. He comes in and sees Forex for the first time and I'm busy trading NFP. That's going to be his impression of trading, which is not. You can have all your predictions, all your ducks in a row for NFP. At the end of the day, it's still 50-50. And that is not trading to a point where you can say, okay, I can use this sustainably in my career to generate an income month in, month out. Unfortunately, fundamental trading, that's not the one. So I wouldn't want to give the wrong dude the wrong impression, or any dude the wrong impression. So that's why I'll do it privately for my MFX members, because they obviously understand the day-to-day trading, like what we do on stream, the live trading, the technical side of things. And then the cherry on the cake is just that twice a month we'll do NFP and CPI privately for people that already do trade, and that will be the MFX members. So that's why I don't do it on YouTube stream. And I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy NFP, so I'll continue doing that probably forever. Who took that? You take that, Charles. I see Naz dropping. Some lack of volume in Naz this time, eh? I've been noticing. See. I understand, but you're most likely to win those days. I've only lost one news day. I don't even want to say like that, but I've only lost one news day. And that was the CPI day. I haven't lost the NFP. But then again, you can't like, I don't know. For me, you can't get a win rate off of fundamentals, dude. Because literally, you can have all your things in plan, you can do your pre-analysis, you can get your confluence, all that stuff, but there's always going to be a 50-50 chance. If something changes now at the back of things, 2 minutes before the news release, it can happen, you know? But I'm probably still going to be right. Not bad, it doesn't have capital. How do you manage that? I fund a separate account for my news trading, and I trade with that. So I'll never trade news on my main account. No, I didn't give me confidence, just rip. 35 pips in 2 minutes, damn boy, nice. That's a move, eh? See, that's definitely with the juice.
Take it, buy a donkey.
How much do you get? Yeah, that's also true. The last CPI was conflicting. There was CPI and there was FOMC that same day. However, I'm not going to use that as an excuse. But yeah, this Friday NFP is just NFP. We're going to kill it. We are going to kill it, man. I can already tell you what price is going to do. Well, my prediction. Let me not say what price is going to do. Nobody knows that. But I already have my prediction. I see Darren's catching whips in the still to the Charles. Very nice. Well done, bro. Well done, brother. YouTube, can you hear the Zoom?
Oh, the market opened at 9 more, bro. Because I was party here, guy.
Hectic. You can't hear Zoom? Okay. That was very nice. So it's a lot of like the opens, eh? NY and London Open. where that big volume comes in. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant. Well done, dude. Oh, you can't use Zoom? Okay, okay. That's perfect. Yeah, remember Zama? Wait, is Zama in the... yes, when he is your Blandon. How are you, sir? Remember, guys, he said last week he's coming to this Friday's accountability with a journal, eh? You must comment on yesterday's video on YouTube and you can stand a chance to win that 5k. Like, share, subscribe, yeah? Yeah, he was very straight up with that. You want $1,000 cash. He doesn't want a funded account. Jason, you taking any trades yet? It's another pre-London trader. Very rangy, bro. It's nothing happening.
Even gold is ranging like this. Gold has now.
I see, sir. Think we're gonna do some back testing on that one, eh? Are you doing that on your funded D? Or your personal?
Yeah.
Personal capital.
3%.
Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a look-see, eh? For sure. With like for real. You say it's more clean. There's no what? There's no what? What is that in English? Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah, he did. I think Darren took the longs before we took the shorts. And then in the COD server we took longs. Yeah, gold got a hiding yesterday. It was a bad day to be a broker yesterday. Gold got a hiding yesterday. He didn't know where to go. Everywhere he went, we just we took him out. We got him. How's those comments doing, guys? Just let's run up those likes. Let's hit that subscribe button. And then if you want to be part of today's Vault Funder $5,000 giveaway, just go comment on yesterday's live stream. Anything. You can even put a 1. Just so that your number comes there when I do the prize picker. What's up? Where? Send me a screenshot. Send me a screenshot. Send me a screenshot. Have I ever traded funded? I trade personal capital, although we did a campaign at the beginning of the year where I told the guys, if you want to pass a funded challenge with me, you can do so. So I bought $100,000 funded, and then other people did the same, and then we got funded, and then did everything, sorted, passed it, then the funded trader shut down. Yeah. So that's my experience with funding. But if anybody wants to go funding, I would highly recommend Vault Funder. Licensed by FinTech as well, so you sorted there. Use code MFX for 35% discount. 1 year ago? No, bro. Like now in Jan. Like now in Jan. Look, I don't trade funded. I don't need to trade funded. But I just did it so I could help my clientele. So all my students that wanted to pass as well, I literally bought the challenge, took every single trade with them so that their accounts could mimic mine. And yeah, unfortunately TFT closed down once we passed. Nah, I don't think. Remember, not every closed door is locked. Open the door. So don't quit just because one funded closes down, bro. In anything in trading, you gotta push. Yeah, if the FTMO is good as well. I must say they are good. FTMO is good, but the only two that I would like talk about would be FTMO and Vault Funder. The other ones is just young dudes trying to make a quick buck. Well funded? I haven't even heard of them. See these overnight funded things that pop up? Don't know about those, huh? Wasabi. I'll check now, D. What's that? Interest 23 what for longs or shorts? 23, 34, 31. 23, 34. Was it longs or shorts? Oh no. You see, I'm partnered with Vault Funder here on my screen, on the YouTube screen. Vault Funder. That's what I'm recommending. I thought you said there's a platform called Well Funded. Nah, it's Vault Funder. Oh, did you sell here? Ooh, what? 20? You guys are animals. You caught this whole movie yesterday, bro. Hectic. MFX members, you see where it's happening after stream. MFX members with the juice. That is crazy, dog. Did you hold the retracement or did you just get that? Because that's 83. Okay. That is insane, dog. 70 pips. Quick. How quick was that? 10 minutes. Nah? Or is it type 3s? Brilliant, boys. I love to see it. Send the pitch on Telegram. Check. Knowles held to QP. Nolan, you beast. Off. Oh my. YouTube, look at this. My students are chowing. Oh. Nuts, boy. That is nuts, dude. What's that? 70 odd pips. That is mal. That is mal. Who was that? Who caught that other move? Zama also caught those lacquer longs yesterday. Zama caught the same longs as us. Very nice. Well done, Zama. Yeah. When you guys take trades, just shove it in the MFing shoot. There's Owens are catching it. I'm telling you now. I'm glad I didn't quit because now I see the negative experience as a chance to grow for sure. Remember, that's just, you must actually see it as business expenses. When you have like a loss or a negative experience, just see it as a business expense. You're learning, and at the same time, just see it as a business expense. Because essentially what you're doing is running a business, right? So you had to, in your head, you had to pay for, let's say, rent or equipment or something. So you never actually really lose it. That's how you should start playing with your mind. Because every setback is just a point where you just start to develop the skill even better. Why can't I get this? You like doing this still? Yeah, especially Zama. Zama and Jason. They're naughty.
It's me understanding things. I just like to trade with people.
Did you have Micah running up and down there?
It's gonna be a good man.
Well, great. Once again. Gonna shower it again.
Yo, what's happening here, guy?
Look, as long as we can start getting some volume and move, gold can honestly do whatever it wants to do. Let me change this playlist. Feels like I'm in some techno fight or something. You know what the best part is? Even though the music's not that great, I'm not getting copyrighted. That's so nice, you know? I think I'll do the... When must I do the giveaway? Midstream. I think I'm gonna do the giveaway at 10. I think let's do the giveaway at 10. All the MFX members have wait and comment. So you guys can also be part of it. Let's go to yesterday's stream and just comment. That's all we gotta do. Comment. Well, you will be subscribed and like to the stream, obviously, right? Right. $5,000. Just asking us. Yeah, maybe when they leave, nah. But they only come when I pull this thing out. When I pull this this magic thing out, then they only come. So you safe. You safe. GJ down here would be type 3s. Because you'd be going in with the idea that price can start to break those lows and start filling that LTA. This is an interesting look at that. Just clicked as soon as I popped on here. What are your worst trading months? I don't have one. I don't, I'm gonna tell you two things now. To be fair, we haven't had a losing month in almost 5 years. No joke, not even lying. No joke, we haven't had a losing month. We've had break-even months, but we haven't had a losing month in about 5 years, boys. I'm not even joking. It's absolutely insane. And then, with that also being said, we haven't dropped below 80% win rate in the past 4 years, which is also insane. Yeah, I'll do that now. And then also, I actually forgot about that. The trade stake. And then also, with that also being said, a lot of people walk around with that idea that they can say that, okay, in July, it's not really a good month, or let's say November is not really a good month. And then what happens is they actually manifest that in their brain. They're like, okay, because it's July now, it's a slow month, we're not going to get moves, or we're going to get bad results. The perfect example is January. A lot of people say December and January is bad trading months. Our December last year was one of the highest earning months we've had at MFX. January as well. January was a great month also. A lot of people also say, when was it? I think it's April. They say April is also a slow month. Our April, we only took one loss. Our April, I think we did over 700 something pips. Where's this thing? Yeah. Our April, we did 742 pips after the loss. So I don't walk around with that like, oh, this is a bad time. That's the bad time. It's what you make of it. Because when I look, like, to be honest, like when I started trading and I started like looking at like other Instagram dudes or whatever, and you know, you're catching storm piece here, English, you're catching crumbs here and crumbs there. I think that's the word, right? You start to then like filter that into the way you trade. Some dudes saying, you know, Friday's a bad trading day, or Monday's a bad trading day, and I used to go with that. It's not like that. Every day is a good trading day. It's just what you make of it. You can lose on any day. It doesn't make it a bad day. You can win on any day. It doesn't make it a bad day. So, yeah, I don't feel like you can put a stigma behind it and say these are bad days or these are good days. Or, yeah, you can be transparent with your brain and be like, yo, you are entering summer months, so you're gonna see less volume, which is where we're in right now. We are in the months where there's less volume, but that doesn't mean we're not gonna catch moves. We're still catching moves. It's slower to get the moves. I mean, if you look at statistics, most of our moves for the past month has been coming after 10:30. If we be quite straight up with it, all these past trades, 10:30, most of the moves are coming after 10:30, and we can see that. So you can acknowledge that, yeah, for sure. But it's not that you won't trade. But also, remember, it's also the way you trade. I'm a day trader, so I'm probably gonna get a trade every day. But also, if there's no trade every day, it's perfect. It's fine. To be dead honest, I don't want to trade every day. The less I trade, the better, because then I have less capital at risk in the markets. That's why I also limit myself to only taking one position a day. Well, let's say maximum 2 positions a day. Because the less capital I have at risk, the better. And then when I have my capital at risk, there's a higher probability of me winning anyway. So those are also things, like I'm very picky with the move and the times that I trade also. I only do London, that's all I do. I only do gold and GJ, that's all I do. So yeah, I would put it like that. That's crazy, bro. Like, actually, I don't understand that. That's the psychology for sure. No stress. Look, the biggest part of your trading is your mental state, your psychology. So what you're feeding your brain with on the daily is very important. If you're gonna tell yourself that Mondays is bad days, I promise you, your Mondays will be bad days. So you must kind of like be a little bit delusional and be like, yo, I'm the best trader. Every day is going to be a good day. You know, you need to walk. Actually, not even the word delusional. You need to walk in faith like that, man. You know what I mean? Like you, probably. I would like to think so, bro. I would like to think so. I would definitely like to think so. We've been working at this for 7 years now, so we're definitely on top. Oh, good morning, madam. Hope you're doing good, my bro. 1 position a day. Yes, 1 position a day. That's all you need. 10 to 20 pips a day. It's all you need. Now the percentage you use on that is obviously on you. What percent you want to risk per position. Wait, on GJ, did I put it bias? Oh, you're right. You're right, Vince. One dude that's awake. Thanks for being awake today. Can't ask Jordan because Jordan's sitting in his underpants with shit in his eyes.
Is it fucking submit?
I'm actually worried about my bra. You're still tired of cycling?
Ganja got him one update.
Oh no! Is that why? What did you sell him, Jason? Well, what did you give him? Not sell him, what did you give him? Oh no. Oh no. He's been quiet for like a week. You tell him you knocked him that on. He's still hurting. Just see. And I see you supposed to stop cycling. You're supposed to stop cycling as well. What is on that stuff? With Doom, yeah. Man. Yeah. Yeah. Instant it. You have a kop steer the whole day, your kop is swaying. No, 100%. Remember, we and Dad still mentioned we went to the same bra. What's him D? I don't understand because no man, Isaac was the one. Eddie.
What's his name, dude?
He was one of them though. That was one of them.
Record some ambience and put it in this track.
Bro, that bro used to give us the sweets in a newspaper. Looks like you're buying a fish parcel. With the stuff, with the sweets in the oven. Hectic. Hectic. That's wild. You used to ride 4, eh? My word. Really? Hey, say. That 1 to 5 only clapping. Got something interesting here on GJ. Leave me alone. I used to trade from 6 AM to 8 PM. I then took your advice and traded only during the morning. Sometimes NY. I'm doing much better now. Thanks, Miles. For sure, Danny. I'm glad, brother. I'm glad, brother. Look, at the end of the day, I don't know what you do full time, but my thing was this. I don't want to replace a job with another job. So that would then be being on the charts at, let's say, 8 in the morning. Well, personally, I was on the charts 24/7 when I started trading, but it would be being on the charts in the morning and you spend the whole day on the charts till 5, then you might as well go get you a job. You know what I mean? Because you're spending the exact same hours anyway. So that was my thinking. I'm gonna, besides the money, besides all of that, I also want to filter trading around my life so that I can still live the life I want and make the money that I want at the same time. And that was then sticking to specific sessions.
Since we was riding back on the scooter razors, had no stable footage since then. I've been an earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon. Don't think that I'm the greatest. I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses. Now I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums. My destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent. Coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day. That's the latest.
Okay, boys, I'm gonna get ready for some GJ shorts here.
I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting.
Did you see my win rate? You're gonna ask me, or you're gonna ask me questions.
I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting. I've been counting my blessings.
I'm ready for some getting ready for some GJ shorts here, boys.
Daily I've been looking for some peace. What would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new glue, looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes
You took a something, yeah.
They asking for my heart, don't
Oh, something. Alright, it's alright. Okay, so the only way I could lose the trade is, you see the liquidity on the left hand side? That is the area that is coming up. That's the only way I could possibly lose the trade, but other than that, we should be ready to drop right down to that 4-hour level of 203,600 around there. So I want to see the re-break of the previous low, and I'll grab some GJ shorts. Target one will obviously be 10. Now, as I've mentioned, there is low volume on the pair, but the way we are set up now should set us up to a point where we can just grab and go. I'll tell you when I take my position as well. 203,855.
Staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now.
So I'll stop now. I'm gonna manually execute this one, boys. So you'll see where I also want to enter is going to be below these wicks over there. So this is this will be my trade today if we can get to my entry point 203,957, and we'll see how she goes, eh? So this is a type 3 counter trend trade. Just waiting for it to hit where I want to sell, and I'll get involved. Go.
It's anything but luck now. I'm busy doing me, I'm out their range, I'm out of reach now. Almost let it drown, but they found me off the freestyle. Product of that ground, you seeing her eye me down. She wanna vibe, trying to see if she can slide. It's in the green now, it's snakes from my past. They look at me where I'm at, thinking they can hit my line, and I'ma help them on their feet now. I had a few I looked up to, they showing different shades. They might have blocked a couple rays, but now they watching my beam down. I struggle to open doors to places that come to life if I step inside. I learned to cut the keys down. Got it locked, this demon stirring the pot with pretty faces and plots that try to knock me off my feet now. No new friends, I had so many hit my line for the freebie, but if you see me out, you gotta pay the fee now. All these things you never cared to see me for is what I let the world see now. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now, I'm up.
Oh, brother, what's up?
I'm a diamond in the rough, so when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck.
33, but I'm actually gonna make it smaller just now.
So when you see me now, I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud. I'm a diamond in the rough, so when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but luck now.
It's probably gonna be 27.5. Yeah. Good. Testing that previous 15/30 low. Let's see if she can push through. If she can push through, I wanna be in. Because this, if it's gonna reject, this is that rejection point now. So that's why you'll see I'm taking my trade there.
We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back by 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing True Crime LA. Send a dress nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it. Man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man, they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the top. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talking about the numbers, then I probably go LeBron. I'm a lion out the jungle, at the top I'm like the Dons. This my life, it ain't a movie, I won't be at Comic-Con. Look, big popping, grinding like ain't no option. Throwing assist to all my homies. Guys feel like John Stockton. Every week I stay dropping, got y'all stay consistent.
Yes, yes, Vince.
But I got the vision, know the street deficient. Needed my assistance, real since my existing years. Came a long distance. Some of these days I get too stuck in no ways. Blame it how I was raised. Hush, get it this way. Look, I ain't turning down to nothing. Ship me the crown or something. Unit full of G's back when Lord Bay told me how to stun it. Pops was slinging yayo, he was getting to the bucks, but I ain't had 50 cents. Now my statements in the plus. The brakes I hit the thrust. Garden stakes I leave them cut. Ask about me in my city. Motherfuckers know what's up, but some of these days I get too stuck in no ways. Blame it how I was raised. Hush, get it this way.
Okay, in on this gold GJ shorts right now. Entry 203956. Looking for that 10 pip banger. With my stop loss up here for 28.4 pips, okay? Target 1 is going to be 203858, TP1. And then TP2, I'm going to look for 20. 23756. Good. Overall TP 37.7. Okay, so this is my current trade that I am in, and we'll see how she goes. Why did the screen just freeze? Where's the cake that won the last final challenge? I don't know. I don't know. Apparently, when I spoke to him, that dude has been you was trading like for 4 or 5 days. So I don't even know if he. I don't even think he knew what to do. I think I would also say the guys, if you a new trader that's been trading for like a couple of days, maybe don't enter the competition. Rather let someone wins that would make use of the challenge. I think it would be, you know, a bit more fair. Because now you've maybe just started trading today, now you win the challenge, now you're like, what do I do with this? Like, he doesn't even realize how great of a prize he won. Let's see. Where we now like... Oh, driving. I'm gonna start managing position now, boys. And start bringing the stop loss a bit tighter to 18.6, okay? So I'm starting to manage that position now. It went from a 32 pip stop loss now to 18.6. For me personally, now that I've driven into profit, if this thing decides to pull back and flip back into that range, I don't want to be in the trade. So I'll cut it at 18.6 pips. Okay, that's how I'm managing today's trade already. Got 2 jobs as a trader. Number 1, manage your capital at risk. Number 2, take the money. Make that profit. And that's why I'm very adamant about 10 to 20 pips. If I compound 10 to 20 pips daily, it adds a lot. Thanks. I thought you were a market maker. I thought you make the moves for us. But look, we've got the security area on the left hand side. Price can stutter here. Also, price could possibly turn in. So I am aware of that area. However, I'm obviously fine with the risk because that's how I took the trade. We need to see price drive through. I just have this price speculation that price could drop to that level where price came from. We haven't retested that area yet. And now that the 4 hours starting to break those lows like that, it's suggesting that it's going to pull back. I don't want to be part of that, right? So that's why I took the shorts. We've got 15 close also happening now. We just want to see the candlestick anatomy continue, boy. And that is printing lower lows and lower highs within that candlestick structure. Huh? Much halfway to that TP right now, guys, which is about 5.7 pips. Not enough for me to do anything yet. I've already done the best thing that I could, and that was already manage that position. Going from 34 pips to 18.6, I feel like the trade is already well managed. Whatever the outcome would be over here. Got about a minute to that 15 close. The next 15 is going to pop up, give us that top wick, and then start driving. The next 15 should not engulf the previous. So definitely, if it does that, I wouldn't want to be in that trade. You know what I mean? And once we break this level here, as you can see, we've got a level there. Once we get below that level, boys, we should rip right down. 203,579. Okay, that's at 15 close. We're gonna get a top wick now, and then we want to see price drive down. Right. So this candle right here with no bottom wick. Oh, there is a slight bottom wick. We just don't want to see a start engulf that. Obviously, if it engulfs that, I don't want to be in the position. That's why I've managed it like that. But all I'm anticipating is price to pull back, grab liquidity, and start dropping. We have stops in though, so we good with that. I was hoping that I would have hit TP by now so I can run to the bathroom. Do I have 2 seconds to run to the bathroom? Surely, right? Let's see if it starts pulling back, then I'll run to the men's room quickly. So what we want to see now is price pretty much re-break the current low and the previous low. Once it does that, it should be golden to drop. Okay, we got stops over there. 204, 142. It's been managed already. I'm just gonna run to the bathroom, guys. I'll be quick.
Hey, look. Labels blowing up my line and got me missing calls. Told her you ain't gotta hit me till you licking. Feel like ZVF, baby, I be cooler than the mink weather. Make a Coke bottle, give me brain till I think better. Back up on my again, hanging out with Benjamin. Franklin got me staying.
Yeah, so we pretty much pulled back to that break-even point now. I just don't want the candle to get back in there. So 18.6 pips is gonna be my cutoff. I feel like I've managed to trade well. The pullback shouldn't break those highs. If it is, I obviously don't want to be in the position. So let's see if we can retest these levels over here. Here we got liquidity right there. So if price can retest that area and then start dropping away from the area, that is what I want to see.
Tell them I'm the truth, I think they knew it. Don't like to talk about the shit, I like to do it. So while these other
See, also you don't want this current 30-minute candle that made a top wick broke the previous drop so heavily to come up and re-break it. So I wouldn't want to be in the trade then. So I'm very happy with cutting that trade early at 18.6.
you see me thumbing through these hundreds, getting to it. I told her fat, do you have
There's 5 little to no bottom wick. That was just another 5 closure there. That should literally just be popping up, grabbing liquidity and start dropping again. 204, 142, that's a different stop because I won't risk any more than that.
Check the trophy case. I can't find nothing you done. Need Huxtable funds.
Let's see.
You either with it or you in the way. Making money been the play. Ain't looking for no friend today. I just came to kindergarten. I do not intend to stay. Look you in the eyes and let you know that's what I meant to say.
How far did it actually push in profit? See, it wasn't even enough for me to go to break even slightly earlier. It just didn't push enough for me. So this was definitely the best way that we could have managed it, going from that 30 odd pip mark to 18.6. I could go even a bit tighter, but I feel like I'm going to give price a little bit more room just to breathe, seeing that we do have liquidity right here. Could this have been, let me see, not even, eh? Hourly close coming in 9 minutes as well. So, I'm also going to do the giveaway after this trade. I think we've given people time to join and go comment as well. So this I see as the 5-minute retesting. There is still a probability we could drop. Let's just see how deep this retest is, eh? And obviously if it breaks that previous high and comes back in there, I wouldn't want to be in it. About we're like halfway to stops, about 11 pips in now, if I'm not mistaken. Go 9, but 9 pips in drawdown at the moment. I'll be quite surprised if this pulls back into that range. Also, we can understand why it turned. I mean, we got that Mariposa in liquidity. We see that. It's just we should have had the juice to continue through that, eh? hourly close coming up in 5 as well. Let's see, does the hourly close below or does she pull back? Gold is not doing anything at the moment. Okay, that 30 minutes just flipped bullish there, boys. Let's see. Let's see what it does. I've got my stop there, so whatever the outcome is the outcome. We are at liquidity, so we could definitely still reject, yeah? And I've managed my trade already, so that's the best that I can manage the position. I feel like the way I managed it was fine. We got about 7 pips into profit, was enough for me to go to break even. I just managed the trade from 30 odd pips loss, well, 30 odd pips stop loss to 18.6. So that is almost saving me half the position. So that I feel like is a well management. It's like this, we don't want it to break that previous 15. This previous 15 we do not want it to break, and it seems like it is doing that. We strongly suggest that there's a, well, depending on the closure, we don't want it to close back into the range. Then we know that this was just a grab of liquidity and we got caught in that. That's why I'm also not putting my stop loss too tight, just in case it's retesting. To close, yeah. You're at your 500 resistance point. Is she gonna reject or is she going back up? Let's see. Okay, I'm probably gonna get stopped here. We got 2 minutes to close. Very, very close to my stop loss, boys. Oh shit. Very, very close. $204, $142 is stop. She's quite close. Got a minute to closure as well. Regardless, I don't like the close anyway. If this thing rejects you, that's gonna be crazy.
Got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realized they all some cowards. The world is ours. Me and my brother twin like the towers, and we want it now, never later. No more favors done with all these traders who be haters on the low. They just hate to see you grow, so I'd rather be alone in my zone writing poems, cause I'm never on the
Okay, that's an hourly close right there. Bearish close within liquidity, not giving me the direction. Current 30/15 has popped up first, now driving down. Let's see. But nonetheless, boys, I don't like that 15 close. I don't like it at all. So I'm literally just gonna let the trade run. It's either I get stopped or we come back into profit. One of the two. I'm just gonna let the trade run. I've done the best that I can, which is manage that position. So we'll see what the outcome is. If this candle's gonna break that previous high, then it will be gone. Because then it's starting to build that anatomy to the upside again. And then it's using the area that we are in now as a support level to drive back up. So we see that. That's another reason why I cut the trade short. Because you can visually see what's happening, right?
Told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God for our chance to breathe. They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips.
Jesus, was he playing here? At the at the stop loss.
Be alone in my zone writing poems. When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do.
I would say we can continue dropping if we start breaking below this body over here. But until then, we're just sitting at a form support right now.
Moving fast lately, trying to get a grasp in. Every day I'm mad lately, never let it drive me crazy. You do this for my old lady, yeah. They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God
What was that?
for our chance to breathe. They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God.
Okay, 30 is now breaking that body over there. That's definitely showing me signs of rejection at this resistance. Interesting. Nothing to get excited about yet, though. I actually do need some fruit today.
enough, I don't hear excuses. Trust me, you could keep it. Saw it coming from a mile away once I peeped it. Caught up in that drama, mama, I don't get between it. They be trying to turn it on you, damn, they really tweaking.
I remember that video. Phone resistance on the 5, but is it enough to pull us back? Only time will tell.
All 8 lives till that become they centerpiece. Unfold and be a masterpiece at half of all our faculties. We actually dope, you just don't know the half of we.
Man will unmute.
The what? I don't. Nah, don't.
They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God for our chance to breathe. They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God for our chance to breathe. So let us breathe in.
Look, if this thing comes back, that's gonna be wild. That's gonna be wild. The thing is also, that was if it is the case that it pulls back, that was a very deep retracement. Don't get excited yet. We are still at the resistance. We could still go back up. It's nothing to get excited about. The issue is for me the candlestick anatomy is now out the window. 15 didn't close properly, 30 didn't close properly, which means that yes, it could be a retest, but the anatomy to drive is out the window. So all we're going to be banking on right now is the liquidity at this resistance to possibly bring us back down.
We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening.
Only to possibly weak fold this, so let's see. The only thing is, as I've mentioned, we didn't close below the limit. We closed in the liquidity. But let's see, boys. Let's see. Could we be saved here? Price was 1 pip away from the modded stop loss. hectic. Let's see. I just don't like these rejection wicks on the left. As you can see here, can you see? Don't like it. I'm gonna have to see the reaction at that point in it. I can't say it. I'm gonna have to see how it drive through. If it comes back, I want to see. If it comes back to break even, I'll see how we drive. If we're starting at break even, I'm just gonna call the trade at break even. If it comes back. However, if that drive is there, I'm gonna push for TP1. What's happening on gold? At the moment, it's just consolidating, my brother. It's just moving sideways, bro. So, nothing there on gold for me. I'm just happy with the stop though that we could manage it like that. I feel like that's brilliant. Only 18 pips, that's brilliant. Five close, no? Yeah. 5 close, indecision. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen, GJ? Just floating at this resistance point right now. Playing at that resistance point. If it does drive down, we do see this then as the retest. And if that's the retest, then she should have legs to continue further down, right? Like, how much more liquidity does she need to continue further down if this is the retest and it's going to continue further down? So then, it should actually drive right through that T-piece. If that is the case that we're rejecting there. So let's see. $15 close also coming up now in the next 4 minutes. If she's going to close bullish, obviously it's not going to go my way, but if this candle can close bearish, it then forms a resistance for us. Is that the case? We are a pip away from stop loss. Let's see. Might get stopped here. Let's see. Very close to my stop. Okay, boys, that's stop loss for me. Okay, so minus 18 pips. So we took the trade with an initial stop loss of, I think it was 31 something like that on pips. And as we started to drive into about 6 point something pips profit, I then managed the position by bringing it down to 18.6. And we then anticipated a retest, which obviously turned out to be making this now a fake out, boys. We just got caught in the fake out. Price should now drive right back up. So the trade didn't go my way. And I feel like the trade was managed perfectly. I wouldn't have done it anywhere else. If I had gone to break even in profit, the issue with that is you're not giving the trade enough room, because we are only, what, like 6 point, let's call it 7% profit. It's not enough room for the trade to actually breathe. That's why I didn't go into break even yet. So I feel like the way I managed it was spot on. Let me just journal that quickly. If there is another setup, I will take one. But the way gold's looking, I don't think I'm gonna get another setup. 7. GJ London shorts. Oh, 940. $10.13. Okay, attempted a type 3. Almost though. Almost had it. Okay, boys, that is me on GJ. For now. Gold. Also nothing for now. We're gonna wait though. We're gonna be on stream for a bit. Let's go down to the bathroom quickly. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm back. Okay, looking forward now. Let's do a quick market adaptation. Looking forward now. GJ just closed back above the liquidity on that 15-minute, not 30-minute, is still floating. And this will be the possible next position for me, would be price engulfing this. So this candle needs to close below the level. And then I can look for shorts again as aggressive type 3. I'll do it again. However, if price obviously does drive to the top, I just won't take those longs. Let's see something quickly. The only way I'll take a long is if this candle closes back in the range on the 30-minute. Then I can do a type 2. Let's pop that there. And then on gold, the same idea stands, boys. Same idea with price closing above there. That's the only way I can look for longs. While we wait, I think let's do the giveaway quickly. And then we can continue back onto the charts. Put a 1 in the chat if you are ready for the giveaway. Let's check how these Just want to see something. How many oaks are we? 40 people. 32 likes, that's fine. Okay, so guys, for the giveaway, all you gotta do is go to yesterday's live stream. Okay? Go to yesterday's live stream and drop a comment. It can be anything. You can even put a number 1. Just go to yesterday's live stream, drop a comment, because I'm going to use the names out of that comment section for today's draw. Okay, so go to yesterday's thingy and drop a comment, and I'm going to use those names. MFX members, just make sure you go comment on there so you guys can be part of this as well. Guys in the Zoom, just go comment there as well so you guys can be part of the giveaway as well. Give you guys like 5 minutes. W management? Yeah, I feel like today's trade was managed beautifully. Just add this in. I saw that. I saw that. That's our 15th loss for the year. Okay, so you just gotta go like yesterday's stream, comment on yesterday's stream, like today's stream, and subscribe to the channel. It'll be part of the giveaway. I'm gonna give you guys like another 3 minutes so we can go do it. GJ, 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 GJ. The break of this high is going to be a type 2. That's what I can tell you. The only thing is a lot of consolidation on the way back up. We can visually see what's happening though. I can see it. Relax, relax, relax.
Even though it's hard, it's not impossible. Tell them there's no limit, I'm unstoppable. Stop myself and guilt in this possible.
Didn't I just listen to the song like 2 minutes ago?
Maybe I was born just to break the rules. Suck the water for the money and fill up my pool. Not my morals or my dignity, we keep it cool. Just to work for the system usually.
I'm gonna take a stab at these GJ type 2 longs. 15 closed back above the level. 30 minute showing me rejection off of this area, as well as the 15 engulfing. Candlestick net me starting to brew with that 5 minute support laying right there. I'm gonna do type 2 longs in anticipation that will drive to the upside, and obviously if it doesn't do so, it doesn't do so. Right, let's have a go here, boys. 20 pip stop on this. My entry is gonna be 204.186. Just gonna be waiting for that setup to come, and if that setup comes, I will take it. Now there is a choppy area on the left hand side. However, the way I'm trading is from liquidity zone low to the high, as that just showed me that it was a liquidity grab. Okay, tell you when I'm in. Get ready for some buys here. 104, 186 is where I want to enter buys. Only way I can lose the trade is if this area holds and price then drops, if that is the case today. But technically, you haven't gotten closure outside the level, you just got price faking out. This is for me price grabbing liquidity, throwing us back into that range in anticipation that price should drive up. Okay, I just want to wait on this, guys, and I'm gonna do the giveaway. Just want to see if I can get a set up here. Let's see. I would obviously prefer the 30 close. The 30 close can close above the level, beautiful. Next one to pop in and start driving, beautiful. Then I have a higher time frame confirmation as well. If it doesn't and it drops, I won't take the trade. The only way I can look for shorts is this one engulfs and closes below. I don't think that's the case though. I think this was that liquidity grab for price to drive to the upside. You've got about a 48 pip range. However, at resistance, I will TP. So let's see, about 3 minutes away from 30 close. Yeah, see, Owen guys are still dropping comments. Okay. Give it a bit more time. So that's the price point there that I'm looking at for longs, eh? And then on the contrary, if this is tapping in to grab liquidity and start engulfing and closing below, we can then look for that resale of the shorts. A minute to that 30 close. Might as well just wait for this 30, eh? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 30 at the moment. Ten seconds. If this closes bullish like this, you want the next candle to dip in, grab liquidity, and start driving. See, because of that indecision closure on the 15, I wanted to break the highs in opposed to taking the candle earlier on the flip like this, because this is what I would have wanted to do. take it on that flip, right? With a 13 pip stop loss. That is quite nice. I like that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, boys. One, 5, 2. Okay. I'm gonna do buy stops over here, and then we'll do the giveaway. So right there, I'm doing buy stops right now. Okay. Stop loss is 13.2 pips. Okay, I just got activated on these buys actually. Okay, I'm activated on GJ longs right now. I'm looking for that 10, which is going to be that midpoint there. And then overall TP will be the high for, let's do 20. Okay. That's a trade there with a 13.2 pip stop loss. $204,018. I like how small these stop losses are. Really like how small these stop losses are. 204,018. Okay, so we've got that 30-minute confirmation about the level. I am taking it aggressively on the flip in anticipation that price will drive to the upside. We've got a 30-minute confirmation about the level after grabbing liquidity right there. Price should not come back down. If it's going to be the case, then obviously I've got a tight stop, so I'll be stopped out, and that is fine. What is that going to be like? 35. Let me see. Overall, it's going to be a 30 pip stop loss if you add both together, right? No. Yeah. I like that. I really like that. So overall, if we do lose both positions today, it's going to be a 30 pip overall stop loss, and at that same time, that still would have been less than the initial stop loss of the first trade. Tell me that isn't great risk management. That is very nice, very nice. Okay, while this runs, guys, let's do the giveaway. Did everybody comment on yesterday's video? Everybody liked today's stream and subscribed to the channel. I think let's get that giveaway ready, boys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very chuffed with the management of both these positions. So both trades overall have only exposed us to 30 pips. That's pretty cool, man. That's really pretty cool. I love it. Okay, let me get the link of yesterday's video. Let's do that giveaway while we await this position. How many comments do we have here? Let's see what's happening. 32 people have entered. Okay, 32 people have entered. Let's see who the winner is going to be. MFX members, I hope you came and commented here, so you guys can also be part of this giveaway. Let's see if we can get a TP1 before we do the giveaway. Let's see. TP1, I'm gonna go break even. Something of all the books, the second trade, 30 pips, that's 6. Bruh, I'm telling you, my man. For sure, no, 100%. With that also being said, though, it's on GJ, not gold. Gold, you have to be leaning on gold. Thank you. Thank you. Put that in my journal. Thank you. Okay, let's get that word picker out as well. Can we get a alert bell here? I think so. Just so that while we in this thing, message. Just so that while we're in this giveaway, you can hear it, right? Are you guys ready for this? Put a W in the chat if you're ready for this giveaway. I'm gonna get things set up. You guys ready for this giveaway? Do you guys comment? Are you ready? $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway. Let's get it. $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway. Let's get it, man. 2 plus 7 is 9. Duration 20 seconds. Let it spin lacquer.
How's it gonna work? Is it the first one?
Yeah, the first one. So whoever's name pops up here is the winner.
Oh yeah, comment.
Ah, I wish it would work like that, bro. I wish it would work like that. Okay, we'll leave that be. Whilst we do this, hope you guys are ready. For those that just joined, we're doing a $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to go comment on yesterday's live stream video. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna start now. Alrighty. I think we are ready. Let's get those. Let me just refresh this in case anybody new came. There's the link, as you can see. That's the link to yesterday's video. Let me actually do it in front of you so people don't think I'm cheating. So I'm gonna go here, go to YouTube. Here you can see, here's the channel. I'm going to yesterday's stream. You see that? I'm taking yesterday's link, copy that, exit, pasting it. As you can see, we'll run it for 20 seconds. 9 plus 9 is 18. Just happened to be the amount of pips we lost this morning. And let's get those comments. So obviously people have double commented, which unfortunately doesn't work. You guys ready? I'm about to start. Whoever's the winner here is the winner of the $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway. You guys ready? Ready for your lotto numbers? Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's the winner today? Who is that winner today? I should have entered as well. Ooh. D-Boy Fresh. That is, what's his name again? Superfly. That's you, right? Well done, Superfly. Well done, Superfly, my brother. You are today's winner. Do you follow me on Instagram? I think you do. I think I've seen your name. That's the $1 million question. I think Let's see if Superfly follows the business page on Instagram. I think he does. I'm very sure I've seen his name before. Superfly. What's your name on Instagram? What's your IG name? Sherwin. I see you. I see you. GG's, bro. GG's. Do me a favor. Send me a DM on Instagram. I'm gonna issue the account for you. Well done, Superfly. You are the winner of today's $5,000 Vault Funder Challenge giveaway. Congrats, my brother. Congratulations. La 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 la. Don't shut up. Don't say fuck. I'm gonna start shitting in there. Then you know who must deal with it? Me. Like the last time. Was it you or somebody that said it the last time? The Brav Vrachi said that. Bro. I showed you that message. So yeah. Sherwin, send me that DM, brother. You'll get your account today. Make the most of it. Let's get it. Well done, well done, well done. MFX members, I'm going to do another private giveaway with you guys on Friday in the private Zoom. So stay tuned for that. So if you want to be part of another giveaway, boys, you just got to be part of the MFX team. That's simple as that. The nice part about it is then you'll actually learn how to trade as well. So your chance of passing that account is greater. So Sherwin, just send me your email address and then go to Vault Funder and create a profile. Once you've created a profile, let me know. Then I'll set you up. Damn, you're quick. You're quick. So go to Vault Funder, create a profile. Once you've created a profile, let me know. Is this a Christmas song? How did I get this in the playlist? For sure, no shit. GJ. Gold also just ranging, nothing happening on gold, boys. No stress. Darren, you want to get me into early morning shit here? No ways this Christmas song is playing right now. Charles, how did we get this into the stream? Okay guys, I'll be back in a second. Just give me like a minute. GJ at support. Okay guys, while I wait, obviously GJ is just playing at the support level. We have a very tight stop on it, 13.2 pips. So while I wait, I think let's do a cardinal quickly. Quick little game of cardinal. Let's see, do we have the new car? Okay, so this is today's car. What is today's car, boys? What is today's car? You know what? I don't know. What is today's car? I don't know. I don't know. I can't even think of it. Any takers? What car is this? Try. It's not popping into my head the way it should be popping into my head. It's definitely old school. What is this? I can't be a golf. That's not a golf. Think it's a golf? I don't think so. Could be. Yeah, that's not a city golf trim. Isn't that big? I don't know. I need more. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. Today I'm actually stumped. I don't know. Yeah. Volvo? Ooh, yes. Old school Volvo. Could be. Could definitely be old school Volvo. Just so that we can get the next clue, because I really don't know. Oh, what is this? Isn't this the old Citroen? Old Renault or old Citroen? Possibly. Because for me, it's the body line. I don't know. I don't know today. I don't know. But it's giving me French vibes. I was just about to say that. Yeah, old French car. It's definitely giving me French vibes. Volvo 240. Charles, let's see. Is Charles the winner? No. What is this? I don't know. Today, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know today, bro. I don't know. Any takers here, boys? I don't know. Trying to. Nah, I don't know, boys. A Lada? I don't think it's a Lada. Could nah, Lada? I don't know. Shit, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. I'm not gonna get this one today. I don't know. Ford? Can't be Ford. See, the front is giving that like I think the front's putting off because now it's not matching like the rear. I kind of think it's like a French vibe, like a Citroen or Renault or something like that. But I just don't know which one. That's the thing. I don't know, bro. Mini. This is a mini. What mini is this? I don't know this car, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Honda Civic. I don't know, boys. I'm not gonna get this one, unfortunately. What badge is it? I don't even know the badge. Hey, if you see a car with the AA badge, you know. Nah, it's been there. Eh? Been there. It's definitely been there. I don't know. Today, I don't know. Isn't that a Pontiac badge? There's no ways this is a Pontiac. I would think that I know my Pontiacs. This is giving a Lance. Is a Lance's badge blue? I think their badge is blue. Yo, this is blue. Bro, I don't know, guys. Pontiac badge. Pontiac. You think that's a Pontiac? I can't see myself thinking that's a Pontiac. Almost, it's not though. Austin. What's it? Austin Healy. What's the full name? Austin Healy, nah? Nah. I don't know, boys. Unfortunately, we didn't get this one. It's okay, though. I don't know what car that is. I don't know. Today they got me. Today they got me. Pontiac Phoenix. Pontiac Phoenix. Okay. I've never heard of that car. Pontiac Phoenix. Let's see. Austin Maxi. Never heard of this car. It's giving Mini Cooper, Mr. Bean in front with Citroen Renault vibes at the back. Austin Maxi. When was this made? Because clearly I do not know this car. 1969 to 81. Austin, later British Leyland. GG's, bro. GG's. I've personally never seen this car in my life. Interesting. Okay. Cardinal done. GJ is just that support. Not really doing much. I would like to think that the flip of this 15 could drive us to the upside. However, we are in a bit of consolidation at this point. You've created it? Perfect. And you did send me the email on Instagram, right? Yes, you did. Perfect, Sherwin. I will sort you out within the course of the day. Two Smoke Folks is a bot. Hourly close also coming up. That's gonna be that 4-hour close as well. Let's see how it closes. Let's see how she closes here, boys. Hourly close and 4-hourly close in the next minute. Let's see.
How's this Euro guy now?
Really?
Yeah, dude.
How fast? How fast? Market is bullshit. How do they say? No, not really. Kinda. Market's doing its own shit today. First got liquidity grabbed, then went long. Now she's playing at support. Nonetheless, the way we've managed the positions, I'm fine with it. Because overall on both positions, we've only risked 30 pips. So I'm chilled with that. "30 seconds to close. Let's see what's gonna happen."
Move it. Where?
Let's see, got 10 seconds for that 4-hourly. 4-hourly closing. That's the most ugliest candles I've seen in a while. Bearish close now with resistance. Candle open. Bottom wick first. Let's see. Is a bottom wick on that 4-hour. Not the biggest, but there is. So this idea is just consolidation, nothing going on, no anatomy, nothing, just consolidating. So one of two things is going to drop or is going to drive away from this equality. Hourly has a bottom wick, boys. As you can see over the hourly does have a bottom. 4-hourly as well. We do not want it to break that, to be honest with you. Because there's you breaking that low. But nonetheless, on both positions I've had tight stops, so the overall management is, I'm fine with that. $11.02. What did you say was coming out, D? Wait, now? Where did you see that? Oh. It should actually affect the pound. This is the only thing with taking that GJ positions today was the lack of volume that we saw like here already. That's the thing with GJ later, the volume is just not there, boys. Come GJ, push. If this 15 starts trading above there, it should be ready to fly. Because that would have then be 15 grabbing liquidity to start closing back above to start driving. But it needs to trade above that level. 204171. So I didn't even see that, Charles. I think that was happening when we were just adding songs and just skipping through the song. I didn't even hear that part. Yeah. Nah, that's not a good thing, Vince. That's not a good thing. GJ does want me to leave the PC today. Dag, Etern.
ambience and put it in this track.
Darren, you must wait for us, eh? Guys, if for some reason I'm still in this trade bar of plus 11, I'm gonna call it a session. We see what you're doing. When you get notifications here.
line on the
Yeah, what's up? GG, bro. See you tomorrow.
tomorrow, is that?
You can't survive without me till tomorrow? I'm sure you'll be fine. I'll get you in the Discord just now. DJ, get some volume. Let's go. Let's go.
Since we was riding back on the scooter razors, had no stable footage since then. I've been an earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon. Don't think that I'm the greatest. I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses. I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums. My destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent. Coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day. That's the latest. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting. Look, I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily I've been looking for some peace. What would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new glue, looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and mine is the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet and mutations. While all the weak get the highest of the praises. Man, it's messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting.
GJ's literally just playing at the support here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Got a 15-minute closure coming up in 3 minutes as well. A weak bullish closure would be quite nice within this liquidity. That'd be quite nice. Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I would want. And we don't want it to break that previous 15 low. Why I would want a weak bullish closure is because then this candle should then pop down and start driving up like that. That's why I don't want a strong bullish closure, but a weak bullish closure. Showing that there is buyers in the market, but it's holding that support level. The next candle's going to give you a bottom, we can start driving. And I also want that closure to be in the security zone. So something almost like that. You see that? Almost like a weak bullish. That is a weak bullish closure. Weak bullish closure. Next one to drop, grab liquidity, and then start driving. So pretty much like that. I'll show you guys another example of weak bullish closures like that. Weak bullish closure, reversal, push. Weak bullish closure, reversal, push. Let's find some. So to that sort of idea, we see them as reversals as well. Yeah, but you get what I'm trying to look for. Okay, exactly what I want. Next candle to pop down and start driving. Then we should be good. GJ is just no volume, boys. Really no volume today. Even on that first position as well. I mean, we drove very nicely for about 7 pips, and then she just started losing that steam, right? See, so that's what I'm talking about. That weak bullish closure within that liquidity. You get that pop down, you start seeing price start to drive. Is it enough to take us through, though? That's the thing. So let's be patient and wait. Is it enough to take us through? Because we are obviously just sitting at this area. Broken that previous high. Now the thing is, you've got a resistance there now. You can clearly see that's a formed 15-minute resistance. We need price to close above there, start trading above that level. Then we can be like, okay, you know, we've closed above the level, price can tap in and start driving. So because we've gotten that level of resistance that formed now on the 15, right? We need this candle to start trading above, preferably close above the level, and then the next one to tap in, and then obviously flip and go. Okay, that's what we want to see right now. So just because we're popping up doesn't mean that it's, you know, drive time. We've got the next barrier which has formed 15 minutes ago. How long have we been in this trade? We've been in this trade for a minute. Over here, that's where it formed. So now we need closure back above that level to suggest that we start driving back to the upside. Look, as long as we can actively read this position the whole time, we're fine. Either way, we're fine. We only have a 12 pip stop loss, but you know what I mean. It guides you through the process. Okay, boys, I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I'll be back shortly. I would say I would close the trade early, but I mean 12 pips is it's nothing, boys. Just don't have the volume to do on GJ. GJ's just be like that though. There's just no volume with the moves. It's really been struggling with volume. We've been seeing it day in, day out. However, with this trade, it's a easier idea because eventually it should get to that point, right? And then obviously if not, it's going to close below and drive back down. And the only thing that makes me suggest the short positions is that the 4 hour has not retested that level yet, which it can obviously do. So guys, I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to call it a session and just allow this trade to run. I've got a 12 pip stop loss there. So stop loss is at 204.018. Entry is at 204.150. TP1 204.248. And then your final TP is at 204.350. I'm just going to let the trade run. Seeing that you are just stuttering at these areas, you're playing around there, there's nothing really going on. So your MFX members, I'll just obviously update you within our Telegram group. But YouTube, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. My trade is open, my trade is running. I'm gonna call it a stream. So taking 2 trades today. The first one was minus 18 pips. We got about 7 pips into profit, then turned around after management of the trade, got minus 18. Currently in a position now, currently in drawdown, nothing is going on. I'm just going to allow the trade to do what it needs to do. It might even hit my stop here now. Let's have a look. But yeah, nothing's going on GJ. It's dead. As you can see, the market's dead. It's literally just playing in between levels, nothing going on. I'm going to call this session. I'll be back tomorrow for YouTube MFX members. I'll probably jump onto that server now. Before I hop on there as well. There's a couple of things I gotta do, but then I'll hop onto the server. Any question you ask, obviously let me know. 1-on-1 tonight is with Lance. So I'll see you, and then I've got a afternoon slot available as well if anybody in the MFX group wants to grab that. Other than that, guys, shot for joining today. Well done to Sherwin. No, that will be throughout the day. So latest 4 p.m. today, before offices close, you'll get that account, my brother. But you'll definitely get it today. And then once you get it, if you post about it, just tag the business page in that. But well done on Sherwin on winning that $5,000 Vault Fund challenge. I'll be doing another giveaway on Friday, but that will be just for the MFX members only. We'll be doing NFP with the MFX members only as well. Nonetheless, boys, YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place, 8:30 for London stream. MFX members, any questions, do let me know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely afternoon. As you can see, nothing is going on, so I'm gonna step away and just let this trade run. Have a lucky one, boys. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. God bless.